Hey Instagram family, this is Laura with Jot and Tittle Vintage Typewriters, getting ready to do this week's videos here in my kitchen. And I wanted to invite you, if you're not already part of my email subscriber list, I wanted to invite you to join, because starting this weekend, Labor Day weekend 2023, I am going to add an email only special every weekend. And if you're not part of my email list, every Saturday morning at 6:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, I send out an email and it has the week's listings, and sometimes I add a short note. It's a really short email. It's not lengthy or anything like that. It's usually a quick, here's pictures of the latest listings. Hope you're having a great week. See you soon. And every once in a while, I'll add a small little note. But starting this weekend, every weekend, I'll have a little sale, whether it's going to be ribbons or typewriter pads or typing paper, and it'll be email only. And sometimes I'll have a discount on a typewriter, but whatever the sale is, it's first come, first serve, and only for our email list. So click the link in the bio, and that should take you to our email subscriber list. It's a great community. We have a large and a really great community of typewriter fans that are on our email list, and so I just want you to join in on that. All right, hope you guys have a great Labor Day weekend, and I'll see you soon.